Just a short video from the balcony. Um, it's 3 o'clock in the afternoon and we've just had an amazing amount of rain in the last 2 hours, and then suddenly it stopped. You can see how the river is getting higher. It goes up a little bit every day, but it's hard for us to notice, but suddenly we realize it's gone up a long way since we arrived not that long ago. This middle island will be covered soon, I think. Within a month that'll be going across to, well, the island in front of us will be covered. It'll go across to the middle island, which will get a lot lower. You can see from this end how the middle island's starting to disappear, and soon we'll just have one river between us and Laos. It is beautiful. Temperature is about 23 degrees. There's a breeze. It's very, very comfortable. Okay.